Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're painting something perfect for the Halloween season: pumpkins on a spooky night background. Our acrylic paints are ultramarine blue, purple, pink, lamp black, orange, lemon yellow, and titanium white. As for brushes, you'll need a stationary sponge, a long bristle brush, a filbert brush, small round brush, and a liner brush. Start by squeezing a few drops of ultramarine blue, purple, and pink directly onto your canvas. Using a damp sponge, gently dab over the colors, keeping your touch light to blend them together. Remember, slightly dampening your sponge helps with smoother blending. Use circular motions to blend smoothly, aiming to keep the central part of the canvas brighter for a glowing effect. For the corners and the lower middle, deepen the background with a mix of ultramarine blue and lamp black to create a shadowy sky. Gently dab over the colors, keeping your touch light to blend them together. Form cloud-like shapes in the upper middle section with darker tones to give it that eerie Halloween look. Softly dab the sponge on the lower part of the canvas to transition between land and sky. Next, take a small filbert brush and paint a tree with lamp black on the right side of your canvas. Use a long bristle brush to add the branches, letting them twist and reach in different directions. Repeat on the left side of the canvas with a larger tree for a balanced composition. When painting branches, allow your brush to move freely for natural-looking, uneven lines. Load your filbert brush with orange paint to block in the rough shapes of your pumpkins. Don't outline, instead, use broad strokes to create oval or round shapes. Vary the sizes and placement of the pumpkins for a more dynamic look. For smaller pumpkins, switch to a small round brush. Add shadows using the same orange paint to bring depth and perspective. While the orange paint is still wet, add darker shades of brown or black to define the pumpkin ridges. Use a liner brush to paint curved lines from the top center to the bottom sides. Let the darker shades blend naturally into the base color for a more organic look. Highlight with a lighter mix of orange, adding a touch of yellow or white to bring out the tops of the ridges and add dimension. Now, let's give our pumpkins some personality. Using lemon yellow paint and a liner brush, add jack-o'-lantern faces. Triangular eyes, a sharp nose, and a grinning, zigzag mouth will give them that classic Halloween feel. Repeat on all the pumpkins, and for those further away, make the features smaller and segmented. Highlight the shadows of the pumpkins with lemon yellow for a more natural, glowing effect. It's time to add some spookiness. Start with a flying ghost under the smaller tree, a simple round head with a flowing body. Fill in the body with white paint, and use black or gray to add hollow eyes. For the standing ghost near the taller tree, make it appear to rise from the ground, using softer, less wavy strokes. Use a soft, dry brush technique to blend the bottoms of the ghosts into the background, making them appear as if they're hovering or standing lightly on the ground. Finally, add a hanging spider above the pumpkins. Create a web by painting delicate radial lines with a liner brush and connecting them with small curves to form a spider web structure. And there you have it, a spooky, pumpkin-filled scene ready for Halloween. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Also, if you're looking for more inspiration, check out our book, Relax and Paint, filled with 100 acrylic prompts to spark your creativity. Happy painting, and see you in the next video.